In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Mailchimp pop-up form to your WordPress site. This process is straightforward and can significantly boost your email marketing efforts by capturing subscriber information directly on your website. So, let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to install a Mailchimp plugin for your WordPress site. The easiest way to do this is by navigating to your WordPress dashboard, then heading over to the Plugins section. Click on Add New, and in the search bar, type in Mailchimp. You'll see several options, but two popular recommendations are Mailchimp for WordPress, MC4WP, and Pop-up Builder plus Mailchimp add-on. Once you've decided on one, simply click Install and then Activate to get it set up and ready to go. Next up, you will need to connect your Mailchimp account with your plugin. After activating the plugin, look for the Mailchimp section in your dashboard, which might appear as Mailchimp for WordPress or something similar. Click on Mailchimp Settings, where you'll need to enter your Mailchimp API key. To get this key, log into your Mailchimp account. Go to your profile, and under Extras, select API Keys. Simply copy your API key from there and paste it into the plugin settings in WordPress, and don't forget to hit Save Changes. Now that your account is connected, it's time to create and embed the pop-up form. Head to the pop-up builder in your dashboard and select Add New Pop-up. Here, you can either design your own form or choose the Mailchimp integration option if you want to keep things simple. You'll then need to choose which Mailchimp list or audience your subscribers should be added to. The next crucial step is setting the trigger for your pop-up. You can set it to appear on page load, upon scrolling, or on exit intent, whichever suits your strategy best. Once you're happy with the setup, go ahead and click Publish to make your pop-up live on your site. A handy trick is that you can use shortcodes to control exactly where your pop-up appears, whether that be on specific pages or posts, giving you full flexibility over its placement. Finally, it's a smart move to test and adjust your pop-up. Open your WordPress site in incognito mode and see if the pop-up appears as expected. If it doesn't pop up, make sure your Mailchimp code is active, check your browser settings to ensure pop-ups aren't disabled, and consider clearing your cache or testing the site on a mobile device. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should have a functional Mailchimp pop-up on your WordPress site, ready to start collecting valuable subscriber information. Happy emailing!